Michelle. In today's video I have some helpers here. We are going to tackle our garage. I have some upcoming projects that I want to get, and I cannot do these projects with the garage looking this way. So I've got my handy trusty assistant here who is amazing in
and Jordan.
Christopher is amazing in organizing and cleaning, and so he is here to help me. I think I'm gonna have him gut it out, and then we have some things that we want to put together and kind of reorganize it so it's a little easier to get some projects done. Our tools are a little bit more accessible, and so we can get this going. So you ready, Christopher?
Oh, let's do it.
All right,
yeah.
Let's do this. All right, so we took a tiny break on clearing out the garage to build a wood rack. I have all this wood on my floor, and it's just taking up so much space, and I have wall space in my garage, so I'm going to build this rack. So I had this piece of 2x4 that was just kind of laying around. It has some defects in it, and so I wouldn't really use it for anything as far as what I'm building. So I decided to use this as my main piece, and then I had some scraps here that I had used for other projects, you know, paint, and it really doesn't matter what this looks like because it's going to stay in the garage. So my plan is, or our plan, because I'm going to involve Christopher, is basically just taking this scrap piece of wood, and then I'm going to put at the bottom of it, screw it in there, and then mount this to the wall and then lay my wood on. So come along for the ride. Bracket up. So all I did is I pre-drilled and I put some long screws in there. Everything I have here I had in stock. We kind of use this nail right here just to hold it up, and then we use that to kind of hold it in place. So we got it screwed up. It just was easier. All right, we're gonna load up the wood now. here is how the garage looks now. Loving how the wood is back up on that little rack right there. You can see the floor now. That is Salvation Army stuff. And this table is clear, ready for projects. I have other wood here that, this wood is kind of heavy for the rack, and these are just smaller pieces that wouldn't fit. So it'll be easy access to find smaller pieces. Some of this stuff, still not sure exactly what I'm gonna do with it, but for right now it has a home. I have this table area ready for when I need to cut some wood. A big shout out to this guy right here. Thank you, Christopher, for your help.
No problem.
Sorry, I helped a little bit.
Oh, you did? You're working hard on your iPad?
Yes.
Feels good to have a clean space. It's amazing how much you can collect within just a few months. Have a wonderful week. We will talk to you in our next video. Bye-bye.